Hey, boys and girls, so here are the answers, the solutions to numbers 1 through 8 on page 153. All right, so let's go. Number 1, so find the volume of each pyramid. So the volume formula, again, was volume equals, um, uh, I'm sorry, I just had a blank. 1/3 area of the base times the height. So for number 1, here, the area of the base, they already tell us it's 72. That was easy. So its volume equals 1/3 times 72 times the height, which is 15. Right? So now it's just a matter of doing, and we could do this any way we want to, but we could just do 72 times 15 is equal to that, times 1/3 or divided by 3 is equal to 360. So the answer number 1 is 360 centimeters cubed. All right. So number 2, it says here, so again, it's volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. This base is a triangle. So it's a triangle that has a base of 5 and a height of, it's probably not exactly the triangle, but so it's got a base of 5 and a height of 8. So again, to find the area of a triangle, we do area is equal to 1/2 base times height. Well, the base times height is 40. So 1/2 times 40, or 1/2 of 40, is 20. So volume is equal to 1/3 times 20 times the height, which is 12. All right, so this one might be a little bit easier to do in our head. I could just say, well, 1/3 times 12 is 4. So 1/3 of 12 is 4, and 4 times 20 is 80. So this is 80 centimeters cubed. Number 3, a rectangular pyramid with a height of 10 inches and a base that measures 9 by 7 inches. So the base of this pyramid, this rectangular pyramid, is 9 by 7. So 9 by 7 inches, it's a rectangle, so the area is 63 inches squared. Right? Because to find the area of a rectangle, I'm just doing length times width. So formula's volume equals 1/3 area of the base times height. So we have volume is equal to 1/3 times 63, because that's the area of the base, times the height we know is 10. Okay, so this is, we can do this 1/3 times 63 is 21. Because 1/3 of 63 is 21. 21 times 10 is 210. So volume equals 210 inches cubed. And the last one is square pyramid with a height of 18 feet and a base that is 12 feet on each side. So it's a square, so the square is the same all around. So it's 12 feet on each side. So that means that this is 12, that's 12. So 12 times 12 is 144. That makes the area of the base 144. So our formula, once again, volume equals 1/3 area of the base times height. Volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base is 144 times the height, which is 18. All right, so we can go ahead and do this. 1/3 times 18 is 6, and 6 times 144 is equal to 864. So the volume is equal to 864 feet cubed. All right, let's move on to number 5. So here we got some cones here. So number 5, again, the formula is the same formula. Volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. So for this one, we have a circle. Okay, so we have a circle with a radius of 2 centimeters. Formula to find the area of a circle is pi r squared. So we're doing 3.14 times the radius squared, which is 4. So 3.14 times 4 is 12.56. So volume equals 1/3 times 12.56 times the height, which is 4. All right, so here we go. So we have 12.56 times 4 is equal to this divided by 3, which we're finding 1/3 of that. It's equal to 16.7. So the volume is equal to 16.7 centimeters cubed. All right, this is for number 5. Number 6. So volume equals 1/3 area of the base times height. Again, the base here of our cone is a circle, so we have to do pi r squared. So we're doing 3.14 times 49. So 3.14 times 49 is like 153 something maybe. So 3.14 times 9 equals, no, times 49. 3.14 times 49 is equal to 153.86. So we have, 153.86 is the base, is the area of the base. So back to our formula, volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base is 153.86 times the height, which is 10. All right, so 153.86 times 10 is 1,586.10. So 1,586.6, I'm sorry, 1,538.6 divided by 3 gives me the answer of 512.9, we'll say. Volume equals 512.9 centimeters cubed. Again, to get these answers here, once I figure out the area of the base, I know that's a separate problem I have to do. Once I figure this out, the area of the base, then it's just a matter of plugging in the height, keeping your 1/3 there, and just multiplying out. Again, a lot of times it's easy just to go ahead and multiply these two numbers together and then just divide it by 3. All right. So that's what I did on the last one. I did 153.86 times 10, which is 1,538.6 divided by 3. All right, number 7. So same thing. We have the cone. So we have a circle here with a diameter of 10 centimeters. So if the diameter is 10 centimeters, that means the radius is 5 centimeters. So that means we have to do pi r squared to find the area of the circle. So 3.14 times 25. So I believe it's 78.5. 3.14 times 25 equals 78.5. So 78.5. So that's the area of the base. Okay? So now we take our formula, volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height, and we just plug in the thing that we just figured out. So 1/3 times the area of the base is 78.5 times the height, which is 8. So let's do this. 78.5 times 8 is equal to this, divided by 3 is equal to 209.3. So 209.3 centimeters cubed. And one more. Number 8. So volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. We're running out of room here. So the cone has a radius of 4.9 inches. So if I'll do it up here. Probably getting kind of messy here, but so the radius equals 4.9. So again, to find the area of that circular base, we do pi r squared. So that's 3.14 times 4.9 squared. So let's do that. 4.9 times 4.9 equals 24.01. So that means the area of the base is 24.01. So volume equals 1/3 times 24.01. 24.01 times the height, which is 6.9.
Okay, so last question to do here. So 24.01 on the way. Erase that. 24.01 times 6.9 is equal to that. Divided by 3 is equal to 55. Nah, I did something wrong. So all right, 24.01 times 6.9 is equal to that divided by 3. What did I do wrong? I know I did wrong. I should erase this. I should redo this. Anyway, this isn't 24.9. 24. By the way, so over here, I did that. I made that mistake on purpose. So boys and girls, to find the area of the circular base, I got to do pi r squared. So I have to do 3.14 times the radius squared. The radius squared is 24.01. So I never multiplied that by 3.14. I apologize for that. So 24.01 times 3.14 equals 75.3914. So 75.3914. So times 6.9 equals divided by 3 equals 173.4. So the volume is equal to 173.4 centimeters cubed. Sorry about that little mix up there, but those are the answers. If anyone has any questions, concerns, just send me an email and I will try to help you out.